You walk into the room and she's already there, unaware of how her body is quietly scanning the space. You notice the subtle tilt of her head, the way her fingers brush the rim of her glass, the gentle lean into her conversation. Without thinking, almost instinctively, you mirror her movements. Your gestures echo hers in the smallest ways, a hand resting just slightly the same, a nod timed like hers, a breath that matches her rhythm. And then you see it. Her eyes catch yours, her posture softens, and a subtle warmth spreads across her face. She feels something she can't explain, a connection that bypasses words entirely. Most men never even notice this invisible dance, let alone use it intentionally. They stumble, fumble, or overcompensate, never realizing that attraction and trust are first felt, not spoken. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how to harness this power, how to create instant, deep connection through mirroring without ever coming off as fake or manipulative. You'll see the science, the subtle cues, and the ethical mastery behind it. This isn't a trick. It's a skill most men will never learn. And once you do, it changes everything. Here's what most people never realize. That moment when she suddenly feels comfortable around someone, when conversation starts flowing effortlessly, when trust seems to appear out of nowhere, isn't always random. In many cases, her brain is responding to a psychological mechanism that's been hardwired into human behavior for thousands of years. Scientists call it mirroring. Neuroscientists have spent decades studying how people unconsciously synchronize with one another. Friends often adopt similar postures. Couples naturally match each other's pace, tone, and gestures. Even complete strangers begin subtly reflecting one another when genuine rapport develops. What's fascinating is that this process doesn't start in the conscious mind. It happens beneath awareness, before logic has a chance to weigh in. Think about it. Have you ever met someone and instantly felt like you've known them forever? No obvious reason, no deep conversation, just an immediate sense of comfort. That's because the human brain is constantly searching for familiarity. When it sees its own patterns reflected back, it interprets them as safety. And safety creates trust. This reaction is also linked to powerful neurochemicals. As people become synchronized, the brain can increase feelings of connection, comfort, and emotional openness. In simple terms, when someone feels understood, their guard begins to lower. Not because they made a conscious decision, but because their nervous system quietly received the message that they're with someone who understands them. And here's where it gets interesting. Most men assume attraction begins with words. It doesn't. It begins with emotional resonance. Long before she's evaluating what you're saying, she's responding to how being around you feels. But there's one specific mirroring technique that amplifies this effect dramatically, and almost nobody uses it correctly. We'll get to that shortly. Most men think connecting with a woman is about saying the right words, being charming, or impressing her with stories. The truth is far subtler and far more unforgiving. The first mistake is overdoing mirroring. Imagine a man mimicking every little gesture. She takes a sip, he does the same. She laughs, he mirrors it almost exactly. Instead of creating connection, he triggers discomfort. It reads as mockery, and her brain quietly recoils. Trust doesn't grow in those moments, it shrinks. The second mistake is inconsistency. Some men mirror perfectly one moment, then suddenly stop the next. They match her energy, then retreat, leaving her subconscious confused. One day they lean in and nod as she talks. The next they cross their arms and look away. Connection falters, emotional tension spikes, and she feels distant and disconnected without even knowing why. The third common error is ignoring subtle nonverbal cues. A quick glance, a shift in posture, a barely perceptible smile, all signals about how she feels in the interaction. Men who miss them act out of timing or guesswork, often breaking the fragile bridge of trust. The final trap is misreading emotional state. She may be excited, anxious, or hesitant, and responding incorrectly to her cues can undo everything. One overenthusiastic gesture, one misaligned response, and suddenly she tightens up, her energy withdrawing. Most men don't even realize they've failed until she's physically present but emotionally absent. These mistakes are why so many connections never take root. They're invisible to most men, yet obvious to women. Awareness alone separates the forgettable from the unforgettable, and the ability to adjust in real time is what creates deep, lasting resonance. Now that you understand why mirroring works, let's dive into exactly how to do it without coming off as awkward or manipulative. The first principle is subtlety. You never want her subconscious to notice that you're intentionally copying her. It's not about mimicry for the sake of mimicry, it's about resonance. Start with posture. If she leans slightly forward while speaking, lean just a fraction toward her, not exaggeratedly. If she tilts her head, mirror the angle lightly. These micro adjustments are enough for her nervous system to register similarity, which instantly builds trust. The second layer is gestures. Notice her hands, the rhythm of her movements, the pace of her nods. If she gestures while emphasizing a point, you echo the energy, not the exact movement. Think of it like dancing with her subconscious. You're in sync, but never clumsy. Facial expressions matter too. Mirror micro smiles, subtle brow lifts, and relaxed jaw lines. This is where calm confidence comes into play. If your face tenses or your reactions are overblown, mirroring fails. The energy behind your gestures must remain grounded, steady, and composed. Speech patterns are another critical tool. Match her pacing and tone subtly. If she speaks softly, slow down slightly. If she speeds up, adjust your rhythm without exaggeration. You're creating a rhythm she feels safe in, a tempo that communicates understanding. Timing is crucial. Mirroring must occur in the golden window, which is the first few minutes of interaction when her subconscious is most receptive. Too early and it appears forced. Too late and she's already decided her emotional stance toward you. Imagine her telling a story, and you align your posture, gestures, and tempo with hers. Without a word, she feels heard, validated, and connected. That invisible synchronization is the secret top psychologists and attraction coaches use to accelerate trust and attraction. Here's a micro example. She laughs softly at a story. You allow your shoulders to relax. A half smile appears. Your hands move in a loose, matching rhythm. She subconsciously notices safety and alignment. Then she glances at you and lingers, leaning in a fraction closer. That's the moment the golden mirroring window activates. It's not just alignment, it's a silent message. I understand you. I feel what you feel. Repeat this across posture, gestures, expressions, and speech, weaving the rhythm naturally. Layered, intentional mirroring like this makes her feel seen, respected, and magnetically drawn, all before she consciously processes why. Wait until you apply the final mind-blowing mirroring step later in this video, which amplifies emotional connection so intensely it feels almost instantaneous, and she won't even know why she's hooked. Mastering this step is what separates men who create fleeting rapport from men who create unforgettable, deep emotional resonance. This is where most people misunderstand mirroring completely. They hear the phrase dark psychology and immediately imagine manipulation, mind games, or controlling someone's emotions. But the real power of mirroring is much more subtle than that. It doesn't force attraction. It doesn't override someone's free will. What it does is influence emotional perception by reducing resistance and increasing familiarity. Think about the people you've trusted most in your life. Chances are they made you feel understood, not judged, not pressured, understood. Mirroring accelerates that feeling because the brain naturally relaxes around people who seem familiar. The dark psychology element is that this process often happens without conscious awareness. She doesn't sit there thinking, "He's matching my energy." She simply experiences a feeling of comfort, ease, and connection that appears to emerge on its own. That's why very few men know how to use it effectively. Some never use it at all. Others use it so aggressively that they destroy the very connection they're trying to build. Imagine a man who copies every movement, every expression, every shift in posture. Instead of feeling understood, she feels observed. Something feels off. Her guard rises. The attraction disappears. Then there's the opposite mistake. A man remains completely disconnected from her emotional rhythm. She becomes animated and expressive while he stays rigid and detached. She slows down and becomes vulnerable while he keeps pushing the conversation forward. The interaction feels mismatched. Even if he's attractive, she subconsciously feels alone in the exchange. The sweet spot exists between those extremes. It's where awareness meets authenticity. You aren't pretending to be someone else. You're simply tuning into the emotional frequency of the person in front of you. When done correctly, mirroring creates tension without pressure, attraction without force, and trust without persuasion. And here's what makes it so powerful. The strongest connections rarely feel engineered. They feel natural, as if two people somehow just clicked. In reality, there is often a hidden psychological process taking place beneath the surface, shaping that experience long before either person realizes what's happening. Once you've mastered the basics of mirroring, the real magic begins when you layer it with emotional cues. Mirroring alone creates familiarity and trust, but when combined with subtle emotional resonance, it triggers an unspoken connection that feels almost magnetic. Start with voice tonality. If she speaks softly and pauses thoughtfully, adjust your tone to mirror her cadence while maintaining calm confidence. You're not mimicking her like a reflection. You're harmonizing your energy so her nervous system unconsciously registers alignment. Micro smiles play a critical role here too. A fleeting, knowing smile that mirrors hers can convey understanding, warmth, and subtle approval, all without a single word. These tiny gestures amplify her emotional receptivity, signaling safety and shared experience. If touch is appropriate, integrate it carefully. A light brush of the arm, a guiding gesture, or a brief, reassuring hand on the back can anchor her perception of comfort and connection. It's not about escalation. It's about layering presence with subtle physical validation. When this is synchronized with posture, gestures, and voice, the effect multiplies. Imagine her shifting forward slightly as she laughs, your hand casually adjusting near hers, your shoulder mirroring her lean, your tone soft but intentional. She feels seen, understood, and attuned to, creating a bond that operates entirely below her conscious awareness. Shared emotional rhythm is the most advanced layer. Observe the micro fluctuations in her energy, excitement, tension, curiosity. Match these with slight adjustments in your own expressions, pacing, and engagement. If she hesitates, slow down. If she grows animated, respond with matching enthusiasm. This creates a flow where her emotions subtly guide the interaction, yet you remain steady, confident, and present. The brain interprets this harmony as both safety and magnetic compatibility. The impact of layering becomes clear in moments of genuine conversation. You mention a personal story, she reacts, and your responses, voice, gesture, posture mirror her engagement precisely. She doesn't notice consciously, but her subconscious perceives perfect attunement. Over time, these combined cues amplify attraction, trust, and emotional investment. She feels as if she's known you far longer than she actually has, creating a bond that is resistant to distraction and fleeting interest. This is the hidden power few men ever unlock. Most stop at surface-level mirroring or rely solely on charm and words. The men who layer multiple cues, voice, micro-expression, posture, touch, and rhythm create a magnetic presence that feels effortless but is deeply strategic. And just when you think you've seen the full effect, there's one final mirroring principle, the peak emotional synchronization that elevates attraction to a level where it feels instantaneous, almost predestined. Wait until we explore that last transformative step. Now it all comes together. You've seen how subtle mirroring, careful emotional attunement, precise timing, and ethical influence combine to create something most men will never understand. It's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming a man whose presence resonates naturally, whose energy communicates safety, confidence, and magnetic interest before a single word is spoken. When you master these elements, you don't just converse with a woman, you connect. She feels seen, understood, and drawn to you in a way that feels effortless, yet unforgettable. That's the transformation, moving from being ordinary, overlooked, or forgettable to being the man who can create instant connection with presence alone. Every interaction becomes a demonstration of alignment. Your gestures, tone, posture, and energy flow together in harmony with hers, not as imitation, but as resonance. You hold a subtle power because you're aware, intentional, and composed. You understand the unspoken rhythms that govern attraction, and you wield them responsibly. It's a skill that signals authority, confidence, and empathy simultaneously, and it separates the men who leave fleeting impressions from those who linger in memory long after the conversation ends. Now, the opportunity is in your hands. Use this today. Begin observing the subtleties in others' posture, tone, and micro-expressions. Practice mirroring with awareness and confidence. Layer emotional cues with care, and watch as interactions begin to feel deeper, more connected, and richer than anything you've experienced before. Most men will never do this. Most will continue fumbling, over-explaining, or overcompensating, missing the invisible signals that create genuine connection. But you don't have to be most men. If you want to take this further, dive deeper into mastering these techniques in a way that transforms every social and romantic interaction. Subscribe to this channel, comment your experiences, and access the full guide for detailed strategies that expand these principles into advanced, practical mastery. Become the man who connects instantly, who commands presence effortlessly, and who creates bonds that feel magnetic yet natural. This isn't theory, it's actionable psychology, waiting for you to step into it, to practice it, and to make it a part of who you are. Today, start applying these skills and watch the transformation unfold. Most men never will, but you can.